gentlemen, how have you been? Well, I really hope you're fine. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some parts of the house, and today is going to be totally in English. What do you think about it? I hope you enjoy it. Well, let's start with the living room. Repeat with me, living room. Living room. Well, what do you like to do in your living room? Well, in my case, I like watching TV. Yeah, I like watching TV in my living room. In my living room, I receive my guests as well. I receive my guests, my friends, my family, and so on and so forth. What about you? What do you like to do in your living room? Oh, really cool. Really cool. Well, the second part of the house I want to tell you is the bedroom. Oh, I really like my bedroom. I appreciate my bedroom. You know what? I like sleeping. I like sleeping in my bedroom. You can also say I like to sleep because like accepts the gerund and infinitive. Okay? Both of them are correct. So I like to sleep in my bedroom. I like sleeping in my bedroom. The third part I want to tell you is the kitchen. Wow, I really like my kitchen. And what can we do in the kitchen? Well, I like cooking. Yeah, I like cooking in my kitchen. Can you cook? Well, I can cook. I'm not a chef, but I can cook. I can cook some stuff. Yeah, that's it. Okay? In the toilet or the bathroom. What's the difference between toilet and bathroom? First of all, toilet is normally used for public places, just like the toilet of a pub, the toilet of a bar. And in England, they call it loo. Yeah, it's a loo. May I go to the loo? This is the way you can ask people to, like, you want to go to the loo, for example, you want to go to the toilet, you want to pee, and then you say, okay, I want to go to the loo, may I go to the loo? It's a formal way of asking for permission, okay? I really hope you liked, okay? See you next time. Don't forget to thumb up if you enjoyed. See you then, and subscribe as well. Bye-bye.